We'll soon be on our way to install your new Virgin Media services. Your Virgin Media installation will happen over 2 separate visits. Before we get you all set up, we need to get you connected to our network. This will be done up to 10 days before your booked installation by one of our trusted partner engineers. We can't provide you with an exact date and time for this visit, but the important thing is you don't need to be home for it. The engineer will need to run a cable to a small box on the outside of your house. This requires a small amount of drilling so it can be attached to the wall, and it's where the internal and external connections will meet. The engineer will then run a cable underground from a nearby network connection point to the box they just installed. As it's underground, they may have to do a small amount of digging. If they can find a suitable route underneath grass, they'll slice and lift some of the turf, which will be put back once the cable's installed. If they need to run the cable under a hard surface, they'll give you a call to discuss your options. Sometimes it might require a separate visit so we can make sure everything's put back as neatly as possible. Once that's all done and dusted, it will be time to get your services up and running. On installation day, make sure someone aged 18 or over is home to talk to the engineer and make decisions about your installation. One of our friendly Virgin Media engineers will arrive during the time frame you booked and will agree a plan with you about what's going to happen. They'll need to drill a small hole through your wall to place a cable wall box inside your home. This connects everything up. Our engineer will then test the connection, set up the hub, and activate your broadband, along with any other services, such as a stream box. As part of the setup, our engineer will do a quick scan to make sure you're getting Wi-Fi in the different rooms of your house. If the scan finds a Wi-Fi black spot in a hard-to-reach room, we can help tackle it by installing a Wi-Fi pod. Once all that's done, they'll show you how the whole thing works. Ta-da! Before they leave, they'll tidy up and run through a checklist to show you what they've done. Job done. Welcome to Virgin Media.